We have gathered reviews from all over the internet, and this is what users say about the Wrangler Authentics men's long-sleeve quilted lined flannel shirt jacket with hood. If you own this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The link to the product is in the description using it supports the channel. The Wrangler Authentics men's long-sleeve quilted lined flannel shirt jacket with hood is a garment that has consistently earned high praise for its blend of style, warmth, and practicality. With over 50,000 customer ratings and an average score of 4.6 out of 5, it stands out as one of the most popular choices in the men's lightweight jacket category. This review synthesizes feedback from a wide range of users and expert opinions, offering a comprehensive overview of what makes this shirt jacket a favorite, as well as some of the areas where it could be improved. The first thing that stands out about this jacket is its classic flannel exterior. The appearance is timeless, with a pattern and color palette that appeals to those who appreciate traditional menswear. The flannel is soft to the touch, providing immediate comfort when worn. Underneath, the quilted lining adds a layer of warmth that makes this jacket suitable for fall and winter, or for those cool spring mornings when a regular shirt just isn't enough. The addition of a hood is a practical touch, offering extra protection against wind and light rain, and setting this jacket apart from many other flannel shirts that lack this feature. In terms of fit, the consensus among reviewers is that the jacket runs true to size. This means most people can order their usual size and expect a comfortable fit. The design is intentionally roomy, which allows for easy layering. Whether you want to wear a t-shirt, a sweater, or even a lightweight hoodie underneath, the jacket accommodates without feeling restrictive or overly bulky. For taller individuals or those with broader shoulders, the sleeves are long enough to provide full coverage, and the cut is generous without being shapeless. It is not a slim or athletic fit, but rather a relaxed one that prioritizes comfort and versatility. Practicality is another area where this shirt jacket excels. The exterior features large, well-placed pockets that are both functional and easy to access. These are ideal for keeping your hands warm or storing small essentials like keys, a phone, or a wallet. The absence of interior pockets is noted by some as a minor drawback, especially for those who prefer to keep valuables more secure. However, the size and placement of the exterior pockets make up for this to a significant extent. The jacket also features sturdy buttons that are easy to fasten, though a few users mention that the buttons feel a bit lightweight compared to the rest of the garment's build quality. Durability is frequently highlighted in user feedback. Many owners report that the jacket holds up well after repeated use and washing, with the stitching remaining intact and the fabric maintaining its softness and color. The quilted lining does not bunch or lose its insulating properties over time, and the flannel exterior resists pilling and fading. This resilience makes the jacket a reliable choice for daily wear, whether you are heading out for a casual walk, running errands, or engaging in light outdoor activities. The jacket is machine washable, which adds to its convenience, though it is recommended to follow the care instructions closely to preserve its appearance and performance. Warmth is one of the most appreciated features of this shirt jacket. The combination of the flannel exterior and the quilted lining provides a level of insulation that is sufficient for most cool to moderately cold conditions. It is not designed to replace a heavy winter coat in extreme weather, but for typical autumn and winter days, it offers ample protection against the chill. The hood adds an extra layer of defense, particularly on windy days or when light precipitation is expected. Some users mention that the jacket has a bit of weight to it, but not so much as to be cumbersome. Instead, the weight contributes to a feeling of quality and substance, reinforcing the sense that this is a well-made piece of outerwear. Style is another strong point. The Wrangler Authentics shirt jacket manages to strike a balance between ruggedness and casual appeal. It pairs well with jeans, work pants, or even casual slacks, making it suitable for a variety of settings. Whether you are heading to the office, spending time outdoors, or meeting friends for a casual outing, the jacket fits in seamlessly. The classic flannel pattern and subtle branding ensure that it remains versatile and understated, rather than flashy or overly trendy. Despite its many strengths, the jacket is not without a few minor drawbacks. As mentioned earlier, the lack of interior pockets is a common suggestion for improvement. Some users also note that while the buttons are functional, they do not feel as robust as the rest of the construction. However, these issues are generally seen as minor in the context of the overall quality and value provided by the jacket. Another point to consider is that the relaxed fit, while comfortable for layering, may not appeal to those who prefer a more tailored or slim silhouette. For those individuals, sizing down or seeking a different style may be advisable. The versatility of the Wrangler Authentic shirt jacket is one of its defining characteristics. It serves equally well as a standalone jacket for mild weather or as a layering piece when temperatures drop further. The roomy fit allows for flexibility in how it is worn, and the combination of warmth, comfort, and style makes it a go-to choice for many different occasions. The hood, while not detachable, is soft and comfortable, providing additional utility without detracting from the jacket's overall appearance. Another aspect that receives positive attention is the ease of care. The jacket can be washed with regular laundry and it dries without losing its shape or softness. This practicality is especially valued by those who lead active lifestyles or who want a low-maintenance garment that can keep up with daily demands. The fabric resists wrinkles and does not require special treatment, making it an ideal option for those who prioritize convenience. In summary, the Wrangler Authentics men's long-sleeve quilted lined flannel shirt jacket with hood is a standout product in its category. It combines classic style with modern functionality, offering warmth, comfort, and durability at a price point that represents excellent value. The overwhelmingly positive feedback from users underscores its appeal, with particular praise for its fit, quality, and versatility. Minor drawbacks such as the lack of interior pockets and the feel of the buttons do little to detract from the overall satisfaction expressed by owners. If you are in the market for a shirt jacket that can handle a range of temperatures and activities, this Wrangler Authentics model is a strong contender. Its relaxed fit makes it easy to layer, the quilted lining provides reliable warmth, and the hood adds an extra element of practicality. The classic flannel design ensures that it remains stylish year after year, while the durable construction means it will be a staple in your wardrobe for seasons to come. We encourage anyone who has purchased and worn this jacket to share their experiences in the comments. Your feedback can help others make informed choices and ensure that the best products continue to rise to the top. Remember, the link to the product is in the description. Using it supports the channel and helps us bring you more in-depth reviews like this one.